What's up guys? Welcome back sa biyahe ni Tinay. Kamusta kayong lahat? Welcome back sa biyahe ni Tinay sa ating malulupit na subscribers dyan. Shout out sa inyo. Kung bago ka sa channel ni Tinay, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Like mo na rin yung page and please share. Salamat! So pagdating nyo dito sa may Robinson's Place sa General Trias, meron ditong diversion road sa liko. So kakanan tayo dito. Kita nyo yung signage na yan. Rosario, dyan tayo pupunta. Ever man na lumagpas kayo sa kabila, pwede pa rin kayong bumalik after ng Robinsons. Meron dun intersection, kanan ka lang ulit dun, then mamaya makikita nyo rin dyan dun sa may bandang dulo. Yan yung magigiting natin tropa sa motor accessories shop. Yan, nandito sa may tapsihan ni Lolo Boy. Next time Lolo Boy, susunod ka, puntahan ka namin ni Tinay. So ito na yung auto wash. So tapos na yung ating pagpapa-car wash kay Tinay. So tingnan nyo naman, quality. Apat ba naman ang tumira eh. Apat ba naman yung naglinis oh. Bango-bango, sarap naman ni Tina. Bango-bango ng bagong car wash ah. Start na natin. Umandar pa naman eh. Umandar pa. Bango-bango naman ng bagong ligo. So let's go. Uwi na tayo.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown, but we both know how to swim. No worries, let's float for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we